Hello, in this video I will show you how Avalon Offshore can capture your boat speed when you are sailing. The VPP, aka polars, represent the boat speed prediction and it is a function of the true wind speed and the boat wind angle. Having as precise VPPs as possible is key to be able to calculate precisely your route. Before version 5.2 of Avalon, we had only 3 ways to enter your polars into the system. The first method is to load your own polar files into Avalon. The second method is to select a boat in a library of over 450 sailboats. The best method is to compute your own polar using our web-based application Avalon VPP. This is the best because by doing so, you can get theoretical polars that takes into consideration your real boat characteristics and also your preferred way of sailing. But now, we can complement those 3 methods by capturing real speed data at sea. This is done in 3 steps. The first step is to acquire speed data on the tablet and then transfer it to your Avalon Cloud personal space on the web. The second step is to modify your existing VPPs with the data you have got at sea. And the third step is to update back the tablet with your modified polar file. When you want to record boat speed, the first thing to do is to connect Avalon to your onboard NMEA Wi-Fi box. So we go to the navigation module and then to the navigation settings. When Avalon is connected to your Wi-Fi box, messages start to appear in the gray rectangle. Please note that with version 5.2, connection to your Wi-Fi box is now automatic for the main providers of this kind of equipment. Now back to the navigation module. You see a couple of new icons that have appeared with version 5.2. If your box is connected to an NMEA, the AIS symbol is in white, and you have a new icon to the right of this AIS icon, which is Polar Record. Polar Record is green when the system is ready to record the data. Click on this icon to start recording. The button now switches to red. Click again to stop recording and the icon switches again to green. When you have finished this session and you are back to home or to your harbor with a good internet connection, then you transfer the data to your personal web space by clicking on the synchronization button. Now, we will match the data you have acquired with the polars that you have on the tablet. We do that from your Avalon Cloud space on the web, so you need to connect to your space. Click on VPP Polars and you will see the list of sessions that you have previously captured. Select the cell set that you want to analyze and click on the button Analyze in front of the session you have just recorded. From this screen, you can display the TWS you want to look at and also the recorded speed data. Of course, you can filter the speed data also by eliminating the speeds that are above or below 10 or 20% from your existing VPPs. And then on the graph, you will be able to visualize the theoretical speeds that you have on the tablet now and the speed data points that you have captured during the session. To modify your existing VPPs, it's pretty simple. You just click with the mouse on the point you want to modify and you drag it to make it match with the acquired speed data. Then you can do that for all the points you want to modify. But please make sure that you do not create any major disruption in the curve. We recommend that you visualize all the TWS so that you can make sure your polar data is correct. Once you are satisfied with the curves, you can save it first on the web, and you go back to the tablet and you synchronize again the data with what is on the web. Then the next route you will calculate will be done with the newly updated data. This new facility is part of the base version of Avalon, which is at a price of about 54–55 euros, including tax. And this depends, of course, of the countries where you are buying the product from. If you want to be kept aware of new Avalon developments, we recommend that you subscribe to this Avalon Navigation System channel on YouTube. Now, I would like to thank you for your attention. If you have any questions related to Avalon Offshore on this new facility, please do not hesitate to contact us.